They are going to our boss Honeywell TurboForce power fan. It's been a long time I post. I'm going to just unbox this and I take a look. I bought this at Canadian Tire at $24. Canadian dollar. I'm going to plug in and take a look. Very cool. This one you can change it to different direction based on the position you want to go. You see, it's adjustable. That's one of the things that I like about this one. It's simple and all the settings are here. This one have 3 speed. It's portable. It's not that too expensive. I just want to see how it's going to work. So I'm going to test it. Okay. Let's turn it on. So this one have 3-speed mode. This is the first one. This is the second one, and this is the third one. So let me see. So the third speed mode is really good, but I don't recommend using the other 2 speed mode. The power is so low. The 10th speed mode is really nice. I can't complain. I just pay only $24, so you cannot work the $24. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more review on fan. I'm bringing more fan because I get a couple of fan that I'm going to review after I finish this one. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. And if you are my old subscriber, thank you for watching. I really appreciate every one of you. Bye.